Hi everyone, my name is Abel Gray Cantoma. I'm from GREYTEST Design Consults. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or you can call me on any of these numbers, okay? Today I'm going to be showing you how to actually specify a limit for reinforcement, okay? Because this software is kind of specifying some kind of space and sizes of reinforcement by default for you. Using this tool, we can actually specify a reinforcement limit. So it's actually not going to go outside the limit of reinforcement which you have specified, and then the spacing, it won't go outside that spacing. Okay, let's jump right into it. So this is our design which we have which I have done using quickcivilseries. You can see how the slab detailing is. This is my slab. So let's go down to, let's check for beam. Okay, so you can see this is my beam, so I can specify elements for reinforcement and the spacing as well. So let's go down to, because I have gotten a lot of questions about this from a lot of people. So if I go down to my design, all I need to go is click on member sizing. You can see here I have apply limit for beam reinforcement. Okay, so if I click on this and I click on yes, minimum bar diameter is 16, which I actually specify here. Minimum link diameter, by default it will give you 8. So but you can see I have changed that number to 10 here. And then maximum link spacing, I made it 200. And then minimum span top bar diameter is 16. Why 16? By default it will provide Y12, Y12, Y12 for you here. But I have actually changed all of those values, and then you will see it reflect in my drawing. So if I click on apply changes, if I go to my beam, that is exactly what you will see here. It will not go outside or below the number of the size of reinforcement which I have actually specified. You can see Y12 sorry, 2Y16 here, and here I have 7Y20. okay, and then if you check my link here, it's actually 200. Okay, let's say now I change that to let's go back to design. Okay, it's on design. Let's come to apply limit for beam. I click on yes, and then link spacing, let's say I make this 300 for example, and I click on apply changes. But another thing you must take note is, you can see here it is written deflection check status. Check is okay, so check okay. So if it fails, it will tell you check not okay. Because I've gotten a question asking how do you know if your structural member has passed or it has failed. Okay, so you can see here it's telling us that our check is actually okay. That means this member is actually safe. So let's go now to member sizing. Okay, I have made it 300. Okay, good. So the next thing I will do is just to click on I'll go to detailing and I will come to floor beam detail. So you will see that change automatically by itself. Sorry, did I floor beam detail or didn't? I think I didn't make that change. Let's see. Okay, maximum. Okay, minimum. Okay, this is the maximum. I didn't specify the okay, this is the maximum it can go, but 200 is actually safer. Okay, let's say the maximum I want to make it 150. here. This is just for the sake of this training. I just want to show you how to make use of that tool. Good. Now you can see I have 82 Y10. You can see 150 spacing. So it has not exceed the 150 spacing. So let me come back here to my design, and I will change that to apply reinforcement. Yeah, I will change this to 200. So if I click on floor beam, apply limit for beam for all floors. Yeah. Okay, the 150 is also safe. So I have to rerun the analysis in order for this to go off. Okay, so but let's go down to uh, let's go down to our floor. Let's go to slab. Now you can see your slab here. What we are having here, we have bottom 200, B2, okay, B1, 2, B2 is 300, B1 200, B2 300, T2 300. So I want my top distribution, no, sorry, my top bar to be 200, my bottom bar, that's B1, 200, B2 also 200 spacing, but I want my T2, which is top distribution bar, which is this particular reinforcement that is here, that is actually on at the top of my return. I want it to be 300 spacing, and then I want the reinforcement to be Y10. So all I need to do is just to come to my member sizing, and then I'll come to edit all floor panel reinforcement. Yes, and then here this is actually my B1, this is my B2, this is my T1, which is my top bar, this is my T2, which is my top distribution bar. So this one I want it to be 300, and then minimum bar diameter should be 10, maximum also should be 10, maximum bar spacing should be 10. I just want to have an equal spacing. I don't want to use different spacing here. So this one, I'm going to make this 200 because this is my top bar. Okay, it is always arranged around here. Internal beams, okay, you usually have them in your internal beams. So this is 200. Maximum, I'm also going to make it 200. So my reinforcement here, I'm going to make it 12. Okay, so I will apply changes. So let's check. Our T1 now has changed to 200. Okay, and then my reinforcement of T1 is now 12. Okay, so I only have what do I have here? B2. I have to change these as well. Edit, yes, D1 Y12, B2 Y12, Y12. I only have this as apply. Let's go to detail. Let's go to floor slab, and then I'm in rafts. Okay, so I think that changes has taken effect here. So I have T2 300, T1 200. Only T2 now is 300 spacing and it's Y10. So amazing, right? So it's the same way you do for beam as well, for that of beam, and then it will take effect immediately. Okay, so look at set limit for beam reinforcement specification. This was what we used the other time. That is for okay, for floor beams. Okay, so this is it here. So here the reinforcement Y16, Y16, Y16. I don't want to go more than, then my links is Y10. Usually by default it tells you, it provides Y8 for you. Okay, so that is that about setting your limits. Okay, so here you can group columns into types. Okay, you can group your columns into type. I'm going to go I'll take you through that process later in my next set of videos. I'll be showing you how to actually achieve that. So you can edit standard part base thickness, the base thickness and all of that. I'll take you through all of that process later in my coming tutorials on Quick Civil series. But you can see the software is actually very, very amazing, right? Okay, if you love what you're seeing, make sure that you like this video. Just give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. You see a button, red button written subscribe down below. Just click on that red button and you have subscribed already. Okay, you can drop a comment down below. You can call me or you can DM me on my WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp contact, or you can call me on any of these numbers. Okay, we have covered up to 25 different softwares on our YouTube channel. Go down below the description of this video. You actually find the link to this channel. Visit the channel and actually keep yourself busy. Okay, so make sure that you stay safe